Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
There's no six pack, and I want it back. So for the next 30 days, I'll be working out 5 minutes per day, trying to get my abs back. So I'll be doing some abs and whatever it is that I watched on YouTube. So, yep, let's bring it. So I'm gonna start with just some simple stuff, some probably 20 ups and down. I haven't exercised in like 20 years. Just kidding, but it's been a while since I've done any exercises. So I really don't want to go all out straining the muscles, you know? Now tomorrow when I get up, my leg's gonna hurt, but it is what it is. I wanna see them six packs. I'm not even sure if you're supposed to be talking about exercising, but yeah. I think that's 20. I'll do around, yeah, 20 push-ups. Last time I did push-up probably 2 years ago, or 3. Alright, 1. 5. 10. I think that's 14. Woo! Yeah, that's 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. It's harder than that. 19. 20. Jeez. I need a six pack, not a belly bump. Alright, so saw a few of these stuff on YouTube. I'm trying to. Oh no, that's not it. This is harder than I thought, to be honest. I'm doing 10 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was halfway. 6. Shit. 7. 8. 9. 10. I ain't gonna lie. That's it for the day. I'm gonna have to call my brother. He's a retired professional athlete. I know a professional trainer. He represented Jamaica in athletics and on the junior levels and University of Florida as well. Go Gators. I'm gonna have to hit him up. This is not gonna be an easy 30 day. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow.
Me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.